taking the fast car today, baby. Let's go. Bruh, you guys are sleeping in the Santa Fe. I told you, it's not like a GTR. It's crazy. Stay. Alright, today we got a really cool project that we have to do on both cars. Sadly, we have school, so we gotta hurry. It's been pretty complicated filming, working on cars, and also going to school at the same time. I know I always like talk about school, but it's just something that's happening. But yeah, let's go to AutoZone. First, we gotta go to AutoZone real quick, buy the stuff, and then we'll be back into the thing. Yeah. I don't know why some people talk crap about people who drive automatic. It's the most chill and easiest thing ever. Thumbs up on automatic. Bruh, $21 later. Ah. GTR sound. Oof. Alright, first of all, sorry about the mess. This like whole side yard of mine is a mess. I really want to make it kind of like my own place, like my little garage. Maybe get some like toolboxes here, just make it my own. Maybe put like a little roof. By the way, OEM twin turbo wheels are for sale. I've had this since I bought the car. There's a few things I really want to do to the cars today with the little time that I have before I have to go to school. On one of my previous videos, I asked you guys if you want to see this on the 370 right around right there. Literally everybody said that they do want to see it. Then the reason as to why I went to AutoZone was to buy some trim paint. As you guys know, the 300 is going in for paint very soon. Latest we're gonna paint this car is mid-February. Already got the color. If you guys haven't seen that video, we already picked out a color. We got everything ready. We're just waiting now. We're just waiting. So I really want to go ahead and paint the trim. All this trim up here, down here. As you guys know, I vinyl wrapped this trim a good amount of time ago. I'm thinking about leaving this part back here because it looks pretty decent, but the reason as to why I want to paint it now instead, because as you guys can see, since we're in Florida, it bubbles up, and I just really wanted it to look the best as possible, obviously on some sort of budget. And lastly, my brake light is out, but oh, I forgot to tell you guys, Bro, we're vlogging, dude. Oh, I'm actually so excited to show you guys this. I'm on my phone, but oh my gosh, there's so many kids in my house. I guess you could say I just purchased. I got promised you guys. Wait for it. The OEM twin turbo spoiler for the 300. As you guys know, this is a twin turbo 300. For some reason, the previous owner literally debadged everything, put the NA third brake light, and took off the twin turbo wing, which I really like. And I found one on Facebook Marketplace. I think the guy's going to FedEx right now, or like when he gets out of work. So yeah, we did get the spoiler. We're gonna install it. I don't know if I'm gonna install it before painting. It was probably gonna get here before, so I'm probably gonna install it before paint. I'm probably gonna have to take it off anyways for paint, but yeah, so we're excited. First things first though. Shout out to a subscriber that sent me that out. She turned out so sick. I didn't think it was gonna look that good. Like at first I was like, eh, but then I tried it on. You guys said you liked it, and now I put it on. It looks so good. All right, now we're gonna do the brake lights. This is really quick. Oh yeah, this is done. This is done. Look at this. That's supposed to be clear. Before and after. And if you guys are wondering, these are 1157 right there. There we go. Put it back in. Actually, I'm gonna leave it outside. Let's leave it outside and see if it works or not. Alright, now we won't get pulled over for driving at night. This one actually I have no idea how to do. This is weird. This was held in by silicone right here. Like the tabs go inside the silicone. Is that normal? Well, I mean, it looks like there's silicone all over. And the reason why I took him out and I did not mask the car is because it has like sides, as you can see right there, and I feel like if I'm spraying, it's gonna be really hard to get those. But oh my gosh. But I sort of should have just left it on the car, because I mean it's getting repainted either way. And we'll see though. I might just leave the other side on. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, wets on the trim. I'm using a 600 grit. I couldn't find 800 because it wasn't over there, but this should be just fine. We're gonna try to smoothen everything out. Wet sanding, we should be good. I genuinely don't think I've ever sanded so much in my life. The hardest part was getting the rubber, like this rubber right here, aligned with the aluminum. Because then I think when you paint it, it's gonna like, you're gonna be able to see like the little bridge or the little like slope. So if you guys, I don't know if it translates to camera, but if you look closely, it's not really black. It's sort of like a gray. I already have to leave soon, so I think I'm gonna stop by Walmart or somewhere else and see if I can buy a black one. Yo, my car literally sounded like it was falling apart on the way here. Something was slamming on, oh, I have a little bottle back there. But like on the back, like something just sounded like 10 bolts fell off. It was super weird. Anyways, time for class. Update, I think everything's good. I just checked. Ooh, and that logo's looking so good. Definitely brings up the front end of the car, but yo, since today in the morning, I've been smelling burn. And look at this, there's ash all over the car. Look at this. There's like definitely a fire or something. That's actually smoke. Yo, that sucks. It's coming from way over there. Should I randomly two-step? I wanted to do it in school. I don't know why, just for the vlog, but I'm not, at least not today. If you do want me to do a two-step in school though, let me know. I feel like I'm gonna get kicked out though. Anyways, we gotta get new paint and 800 grit or 400 grit just to get the rubber out really good. Alright, for those of you that don't really know, a cool trick that people do to make your car pop loud, when you're decelerating, a lot of people ask me if I just let go of the gas and it pops like that. It doesn't at the same time. You gotta sort of like feather the gas. Look, I'm gonna gun it a little bit. only pops a little bit. Now I'm gonna do it and feather the gas and listen to the difference. See? That's when it actually, you gotta like feather the gas a little bit. It's like super weird. I never knew. I literally found out about that by myself on the way back. So what I'm gonna do, since I actually like this, we're gonna leave this one like this. As you saw, we stopped at Walmart. I bought this high performance animal, or whatever you call it. The only bad thing about this, takes a while to dry, but we should be good. I mean, it's fine. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna paint this trim, and yeah, we're gonna paint it with the new color, which is black, and then we're gonna compare both. All right, I think I'm gonna do 2 coats, but one thing I'm noticing that I kind of really don't like, it's kind of like glossy. I want it to be like more of a matte finish. Maybe it's because it's still wet. But yeah, so far it's glossy, so I don't know. Yo, this turned out so good. Yes. Literally, the trim looks brand new. And remember, guys, I did this for literally $21. It was only $21 because I had to buy the brake light. But if you don't want to buy the brake light, you can do this for at least like $15, and you don't have to buy the OEM ones from factory, which are literally like $300. Like for like this little piece of trim, I'd rather just do it on myself in the house and save money that I could put that towards another thing. But yeah, super hyped with how it turned out. They're still not fully dried up, so I'm gonna leave them inside the car, and then I'll probably put them on later, because that paint is really good and it takes just a bit of time to dry. Also, I'm gonna try to find a link to this in the description so you guys can also buy it. I think it's like 15 bucks or so. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Smash that like, subscribe, and with that said, peace out, boys. Remember to be good, be happy, and spread positivity. And let's get to the 2 subscribers of the day.